It's 2 a.m. The house is completely silent. Your body is exhausted, begging for rest. But inside your head, you are in the middle of a vicious, perfectly articulated argument with someone you haven't spoken to in 5 years. Or maybe you're saving a crowd from a disaster. Or you are vividly defending yourself against an accusation that has never happened. You lie there, heart beating slightly faster, completely absorbed in a reality that does not exist. Everyone does this, but almost no one asks the terrifying question. If sleep is vital for our survival, why does your brain actively try to keep you awake with fake problems? We tend to view this late night overthinking as a glitch, a symptom of modern anxiety, or a flaw in our personal mental discipline. We think we are just bad at sleeping. But biological evolution is incredibly strict. If a behavior wastes energy and harms our survival, it gets bred out over thousands of generations. Yet, this late night storytelling has survived, which means creating fake scenarios in the dark isn't a glitch at all. It is a highly sophisticated, deeply ingrained piece of survival software. To understand why you do this, you have to understand what happens when you turn the lights off. During the day, your brain is focused outward, navigating traffic, answering emails, reading screens. But the moment you lie down in the dark and the external world disappears, a massive neural system wakes up. It's called the default mode network, or the DMN. The DMN is the engine of your sense of self. It is responsible for time travel, pulling memories from the past and projecting them into the future. And as you drift closer to sleep, you enter a transitional state called hypnagogia. Your conscious control slips, but your DMN is still firing. Your brain effectively becomes a high-definition virtual reality headset, trapping you inside your own thoughts. But why does it use this VR headset to simulate arguments and disasters instead of peaceful fields? For that, we have to look back 100,000 years. According to evolutionary psychology, specifically the threat simulation theory, your brain is not trying to torture you. It is trying to train you. For our ancestors, the world was lethal. If you made a social mistake in the tribe, you were exiled and died. If you didn't anticipate a predator, you died. So nature gave us a safe space to practice. The hypnagogic state before sleep was the only time ancient humans were physically safe enough to run survival simulations. Your brain conjures up fake social conflicts and physical dangers so that if they ever happen in real life, you already have a script. You've already survived it in your mind. You aren't neurotic. You are simply running ancient, pre-installed antivirus software. Your brain is aggressively trying to protect you, but there is a massive problem. The hardware is exactly the same as it was 100,000 years ago, but the environment is completely unrecognizable. Our ancestors rehearsed tangible threats. A predator in the brush, a physical fight with a rival, threats that had a clear beginning and a clear end. Today, the threats your default mode network is trying to simulate are abstract. An awkward interaction at the office, the fear of financial collapse, a vague sense of social rejection online. Because these modern threats are invisible and unresolvable by fighting or running away. Your ancient simulator just keeps running the loop. Over and over and over. It dumps real cortisol into your bloodstream for a predator that doesn't actually exist. So the next time you find yourself staring at the ceiling, winning an imaginary argument against someone who isn't there, don't be angry at yourself. It's not a defect. It's just your biology, trying to keep you safe in a world it doesn't quite understand yet. If you want to understand more about the ancient wiring hiding inside your modern mind, subscribe. Sleep well.